On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is very easy, and the best part is that you don't need to invest anything. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you the best traffic source that you can use to get people to purchase the affiliate product that you are going to be promoting. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many of them. In this case, I'm using Digital24. Digital24 is one of the best affiliate marketing network where you can find a lot of different offers to promote wherever you are in the world. So search for Digital24. Once you search for it, you can be able to create your free accounts and then find affiliate offers to promote. Once you create your accounts and login, what you have to do is that you have to create a marketplace. Once you click on marketplace, you're going to see a lot of different offers that you can promote. As I scroll down, you can see these are offers that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see the commission rate. The commission rate is the amount that you're going to earn for every sale that you get. You can see this one, for example, you're going to be earning $147.35 for every sale that you get. This one you're going to be earning $135.44 for every sale that you get. So there are many of them. As a school, you can see many products and the amount that you're going to earn for every sale that you get. There are many of them, so you can click on page 2. Once you click on page 2, you find a lot of different other products that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want so that you can promote it to earn money from home. If you want a product from a specific category, what you have to do is that you have to come right here and then select any category of product that you want. If you want digital products, you can click right here. Once you click on it, these are subcategories under digital products. You can see business and investment. You can see dating, relationship and romance, education, email marketing, family and children, fashion and many others. Any kind of product that you want, you can find it on this platform to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. If you want to promote services, you can also click right here, services. Once you click on services, you can promote services under fashion, you can promote services under marketing services. So any kind of product that you want, you can promote it. In this case, I want to promote a product under the physical products. You can see shipping products, so click on it. Once you click on it, you can promote skincare products under physical products, or you can promote food supplements. In this case, I want to promote a food supplement, so click on food supplements. Once you click on food supplement, you are going to see a page like this. These are all food supplements that you can promote. So all that you need to do is that you have to select the one that you want. You can see a whole lot of different food supplements that you can promote. If you want, you can filter them so that you can get the best offer that you want to promote. For example, if you want to filter based on popularity, you can do that. Based on earning per sale, based on earning per cart visitor, based on publication date, cart conversion rate, cancellation rate, any of these factors that you want, you can use to filter the offer so that you can get the best offer that you want to promote. In this case, I'm not going to filter anything. I have a specific product that I want to promote. I have promoted it before and I've been getting sales, so I want to promote that product for you to see. If you want, you can select the same product, or you can filter the product so that you can select the one that you want. So let me scroll down to show you the product. You can see this one, Prodentin. Prodentin is one of the best supplements that you can promote. The product is doing well on ClickBank. On this platform, it is also doing well. You can see the cart conversion rate is 21%. That means if you promote it to people, once people click on your affiliate link, about 21% of those people are going to purchase the product for you to make money. You have to target the right audience, not just any clicks. You have to target people who really need the product so that they can purchase it. It is not just about clicks, it is about targeting people who need the product so that they can purchase the product for you to make money. So this is the product that I'm going to be promoting. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on the product so that you can get more details about it. You can see this is the price and many other details about the product. When scroll upwards, you can see they have sales page and they have affiliate support page. The sales page is the first page that your potential customers are going to see before they purchase the product, and the affiliate support page is the page where you can find a lot of different resources that you can use to promote the product. So if you want resources, you can click on it and then get resources like articles. They have email swipes. There are a lot of different resources that you can use as an affiliate to promote a product. So if you need any kind of resources, you can click on it. Once you click on it, you can get those resources that you can use to promote the product. Apart from that, you have to also look at the landing page of the product. You have to get first-hand information about the product before you promote it. So click on sales page so that you can get some basic information about the product. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. As you can see, this is the landing page of the product. You can see this is the landing page of the product. This is exactly what the potential visitors are going to see before they purchase the product. You can see a whole lot of different things. As you can see, your potential visitors are going to get access to bonuses. You can see, so when they make a purchase, they can get access to these two bonuses. You can see the product is a dental product, so make sure you target people who want to whiten their teeth, people who have teeth problems. You have to target those kind of people so that they can purchase the product. You can see they have over 95,000 reviews, and most of them are 5-star reviews. You can see it. So that means people are getting good results using this product. So you can also promote it and then get people to purchase it. You can see a whole lot of different information about the product. Now once you are able to get information about the product, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it. Now what you have to do is that you have to get people to click on your link and then purchase the product. What I'm going to do in this video is that I'm going to show you a high quality free traffic source that you can use to get people who live in the United Kingdom to click on your link and then purchase the product so that you can be making money without investing anything. The website that you're going to be using to drive traffic to our affiliate link is thegreatbritishlist.co.uk. This is one of the best websites that you can use to promote your businesses in the United Kingdom. The website is available in the UK, so any ad that you post on this website, it is going to be available to people who live in the United Kingdom. So you are going to be getting people who have the purchasing power to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product so that you can make money. Now what you have to do is that you have to begin promoting your affiliate link. To promote your affiliate link, you have to click right here, list a local business or service. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see, does your business or service have a website? Click on yes. Once you click on yes, you're going to see a page like this. You can see category. So you have to select the category of the product that you're promoting. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see different categories. The product is about dental care, so what you have to do is that you have to select dental. Once that is done, you can see website. This is where you're going to place your affiliate link. So you have to come back on the 224. Once you come back, click on copy promo link. Once you copy your affiliate link, come back and then paste it right here. As considered has been done. Once that is done, you can see business name. What you have to do is that you have to enter the name of your business. Just enter any name that you want. Once you enter your business name, the next step is that you have to enter the tagline. So you have to enter some keywords that are related to the product that you're promoting. Just enter some keywords. So enter any keyword that is related to the offer that you are promoting. Once that is done, you have to enter the town, the city, and the country. So enter it right here. In this case, I'm going to be using a fake address. So open a new tab and then search for fake UK address. Just search for fake UK address. I want to use a fake address so that I can publish the ad to people who live in the United Kingdom. So once you search for it, click on the first website. Once you click on the first website, you can see this is a fake address. And so highlight the town and then copy it. Once you highlight the town and copy it, you are going to come back on your ad. You can see town, city, country. Enter it right here. Once that is done, you have to enter the country. So let's say United Kingdom. So let's enter UK. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see area covered. So you have to select the area. Just come back on your fake address. Once you come back on your fake address, you have to select the state or just highlight it and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. Once that is done, you can see postcode. What you have to do is that you have to come back on your fake address, highlight and copy this as your postcode. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see phone number. Come back on your fake address. Once you come back, you can see this is a phone number. Highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see email address. Enter your email address right here. Once you enter your email address, you can see business description. So you have to write a description of the product here. To get a better description of the offer, what you have to do is that you have to come on ChatGPT and then type a prompt so that it can write a better description for you. So just type something like write an ad description for pro denting, something like this. Write an ad description for pro denting. Once that is done, click right here, send. Once you click on it, it is going to write a description for you. You can see it is writing the description. Just wait for it to finish writing the description. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to highlight and copy your description. So highlight this, highlight everything. Once you highlight it, copy it. Once you copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. This is the description of the product. Once you have your description, the next step is that you have to click right here, I'm not a robot. So click on it. Once that is checked, the next step is that you have to click right here, submit. Once you click on submit, you can see success. Your ad has been posted successfully. Please use the link we sent to your email to edit and manage your ad. So your ad has been posted onto the website. You can post another ad onto the website. So keep on posting, select a different product, post it onto the website. Keep on posting different ads so that you can get people to purchase the product that you're promoting for you to make money on the rest 24 without investing anything. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.